Every month, millions of people work hard, get paid, and somehow end up with less money than they started with. That's not bad luck, that's money. Look, most people think wealth comes from earning more, but earning more isn't the real game. The real game is owning things that pay you, instead of owning things that bill you. And if you miss this one idea, you spend the next 30 years running on a financial treadmill, sweating, working, exhausted, but going nowhere. Let's be real. Most people buy things backwards. They get paid, then they immediately buy things that demand more money from them every month. Think about a fancy car. The day you buy it, it starts losing value, but the payments don't shrink. Insurance shows up, fuel shows up, repairs show up, everybody wants a piece. That's a liability. A liability takes money from your pocket. Now let's compare that to an asset. An asset puts money into your pocket. That's the whole idea. Wealthy people aren't financial geniuses because they use complicated words. They simply spend more time collecting assets, while everyone else collects liabilities. Let's follow two stickmen. Meet Dave, meet Mike. Both earn exactly the same salary. Dave buys a brand new luxury car. Mike buys a boring used car. Dave laughs at Mike. Mike doesn't care. Every month Dave makes a payment. Every month Dave pays insurance. Every month Dave pays for maintenance. Dave's money keeps leaving. Meanwhile, Mike takes the difference and buys an asset. First it's small, almost boring, almost invisible, but month after month it grows. Then it starts producing cash, then more cash, then even more cash. 5 years later Dave still has payments. Mike has assets making money whether he wakes up or not. That's the difference. One owns things, the other owns income producing things. Huge difference. Here's the real problem. Liabilities are exciting. Assets are usually boring at first. Nobody posts a photo of their savings account at dinner. Nobody brags about buying a small investment, but people love showing off expensive stuff. Human beings want status, that's normal. The problem starts when status becomes expensive, really expensive. Think about it, if something leaves your wallet every month, it doesn't care how hard you work for that money. It just keeps taking and taking and taking until people start believing they're broke because they don't earn enough, when the real issue is what they owe. What should you actually do? Simple. Start asking one question before every major purchase. Will this put money into my pocket, or will it take money out? That's it. Before buying something expensive, pause for 10 seconds, ask the question that if it creates income, it's moving toward the asset side. If it creates ongoing expenses, it's moving toward the liability side. This doesn't mean never enjoy life. It doesn't mean live like a monk. It means understanding the trade-off. Buy liabilities if you want them. Just know what they are. Don't call a bill an investment. A bill is a bill. An asset is an asset. The labels matter. Honestly, this idea sounds almost too simple, but simple doesn't mean weak. Some of the richest people on earth built fortunes by collecting assets for years. Not days, not weeks, years. Most people spend their lives working for money. Assets make money work for them. That's the shift. That's the entire game. Every dollar you spend is casting a vote. Vote for things that drain you. Or vote for things that help you grow. One choice makes your future heavier. The other makes it easier. Assets pay you. Liabilities bill you. The sooner you know the difference, the sooner your money stops running away from you.